Hi everyone, another day and more progress on the 2010 Yamaha FJR1300. She's pretty much in a finished state now. We've got sirens mounted where they should be, red and blue lights obviously, pole light you can just see in the rear, all the bits and pieces are on the bike with the exception of a battery cover, but that's coming. Most important thing is she now has matched locks, just the way the police would do. So where we run them in New South Wales is you have one key that does the ignition, the seat, etc, etc. You have another key that is usually left in this position that does the radio box and then both panniers. So these have now been rekeyed so they're identical. So there you go folks, she's off to Fleet. We're just figuring out when she goes. She'll go to a dealer first to have all the service work done, get her back up and running, make sure she's safe because we don't do any of that stuff. And then she goes from the dealer to Fleet where she's going to have the radio installed properly. I've just put a test fit in there, so that's the radio this bike would have been fit with back in the day. And of course, while we're here, we'll do the lights just because we have lights and why not. There you go. Everything happening on the dash, master switches again, and it's a party! Look at that, just in time for Christmas. I may have used that line before, but whatever, never gets old. So there you go folks, from an absolute basket case that was being stripped for parts to being basically born again, I suppose, or reborn. That's what I couldn't show you before, is the blue lights in the rear. And everything working as she should. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll have photos and video of when she's running, and then once she gets back from Fleet, obviously we'll have photos and video of her with all the stuff working, antennas and sirens and all sorts of stuff. So there you go folks, thanks for tuning in, stay tuned for updates, back soon with more.